Hi, it's Tom from CG Trout Unlimited. Today I'm going to show you how my turbidity tube works and how to make one. It's easy. So this is clear drinking water from the tap. That's my helper Bella in the back. The way you use these things are you look down the tube and there you go, you can see the target. Here's a turbidity tube with 15 centimeters of water in it, and you can't see the target. Remember, you want to get to the point where the target just disappears when you look at it. 10, and you can see the target. So 12.5 will split the difference, and if you look, the target has just disappeared. So we use 12.5 as our number. Thanks for watching. Find links in the comments. Bye for now.